Alright guys, welcome to this demonstration of this cool thing right here. Now what we got here is, you guys can all see, the Shongmei electric shaver kit. Okay, it's extra special because it's got 7 of these things right here. The ones that I've tried before only had maybe like 2, 3, maybe up to 4. But this has 7, right? So an important thing about this little product right here is that you do not twist to get these things off. You just pull them and they snap right out. Now this, as you can see, has never been used. It's brand new. So I'm going to put that in here and we're going to test it out to see how it works. And hopefully it will do a good job. Alright, so there are different ones here that you could put on this thing. I'm not sure which one is the best, but I think this one is probably going to be, the one that's on is probably the thinnest, so maybe it'll be the best one for, you know, shaving stuff off here. Alright, which way does this go? I'm thinking this way, but I could be wrong. Nope, not that way. It only goes in one way, which is good. So it only goes in one way. So let me show you. If you try to put it the other way, you will break it. So make sure you put it in this way, as you can see here. There we go. All right. Let's give this a good whirl and see what it does. Okay. On. There we go. Alright, so as you can see, it is doing something, but maybe, and I don't know if you are actually supposed to do this at all, but I'm going to try. See what I've done, I've just lifted this off, see if it just works this way, or maybe it's not safe, I don't know. We'll check it out to see if it works better, because it just needs to. The other thing that I was talking about here that's pretty cool is that it is USB charging. So that means that if you're in your car, you can charge it on the way. Let's try this out. Oh, it's doing a better job now. Wow.